Hey Saber fans, I'm going to show you how to use your new Korbanth V2 Stunt version 2. So this is our second rendition of the Luke V2 Stunt Saber from episode 6. And the way that this one works is you basically unscrew this back end. Turn it over, and that's where the kill key goes. That's also where you plug in your wall charger to charge up the saber. In there is your Profi and your SD card. That's how you get into it. You can carefully put this back on. And the way that it turns on is pressing down on either the upper portion, the front portion, or the back portion. So this portion lights it up. And if you hold it down for about 1.5 seconds, it'll play music. Pressing the front part will change to the next font.
Only a Sith deals in absence. That's what I'm up. Traitor! At last we will have our revenge.
That font's called Death Star. Wonderful font. Love it.
Now this is pod racing.
So one thing to remember is right about here is your blade retention screw. So use your Allen key to tighten or loosen this so that the blade stays in nice and firmly. There's not a lot of depth because since it's a thin neck saber, definitely not a dueling saber. Also, I would, when the first night you get the saber, I would put it on a overnight charge because the first time you charge the battery is the most important time. But other than that, everything else looks pretty good on this. Don't unscrew the emitter. Don't take it apart anywhere else other than what I just showed you, and you should be perfect. It's a good looking saber. I like it. Created in cooperation with our partner LDM Sabers. They get them made for us over in China, and our local artist does all the weathering and the painting of the saber. But it's a beautiful version of the V2 Stunt saber, and this is our new 2022 or version 2 of the saber. A few things have changed, but not a lot. It's still just doing another run of them since we haven't had them in about 2 years. If you have any questions, give us a call, give us a shout, give us an email. Take care.